Hello, everybody. Welcome to Zoom training for Jot Form. So I want to start really quick before I jump you to my screen. Why Jot Form? What does this do for you? One, it's free. They do have paid versions, but you only need the free version. This lets you keep 5 active forms going at once. So that is plenty for each LTO if you wanted different for each LTO, or if you want some of these as sample forms for your parties. 5 gives you plenty. You don't really need the paid one. There's not really any other perks in that you need. Okay, what is Jot Form and what does it do? So basically this creates an online template, like an online order form, that you send your customers a specified link. It can come in a text, it can come on Facebook. You can attach this to your holiday albums when you upload it to your fan pages. That way the order form is automatically attached to each picture. You can send it in AMI, send it out to your follow-up. If you have alerts like, hey, holiday's coming soon, view the question here, it takes you directly to your Jot Form, your online order form, where you can have pictures of things, you have descriptions, everything is there. This also is a great option for those of you that can't afford to buy the holiday brochures and then ship them out. This is a virtual way. You can text, you can message, Facebook message, you can email, you can send this any way you need to. You can send a link, you can send a QR code, so whatever fits your fancy, you can send it that way. Plus, you do not have to be tech savvy for this. I promise you, I am not. I'm not in the slightest. I am an old Word doc gal, just like Lauren says too. Give me Word docs and I'm great, but all this Facebook, I'm not on Instagram, I'm not on Twitter, I'm not on any of that because it's way too much for me. So if I can handle this, you can handle it too. This is also a great tool for those of you that are really busy and don't necessarily have time to follow up with everybody on maybe questions about scent descriptions on certain things. Say they see something online on your fan page and it's a bar of this or a pod in that. You can upload your form and have all the scent descriptions saved so they have it at their fingertips. They can read it, they can answer all those questions themselves. Plus, this is a great tool for new customers too, because as soon as they fill this out, you get an email with all of their information. So this is super easy. You do not have to do the texting back and forth. It will save you time, I promise. So without further ado, let's dive into this awesomeness called Jot Form. So first way to access Jot Form, you can go online, jotform.com. Create an account, it's free. And trust me, with some of the stuff you're gonna be seeing in this training, you're gonna want to go get an account like now. So make sure you sign up and get an account and then come back here or watch this, I'll walk you through it, come back again and you can go step by step with me on how to edit your forms. So jotform.com, or there's a cool and handy app. So if you are a text girl, download that app now. Sorry, trains. I live by a train track. Download that app now, and you can copy that link and text it out as much as you want. So, all right, here we go. Oh man. Shelly, it's saying only the host can share. Let me see if I can do it on my computer screen. And of course, my computer's acting up right now because I tried to download something. You're muted too, Shelly. I can't hear you.
Does anybody remember where I find for her to share?
When I go to share, it says only the host can share.
Yeah, I have to enable it. Sorry, you guys.
No, my bad. I thought, but that makes sense because I was the host before when I was like, I know I walked through all of this.
Okay, you're the host now.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, starting back up. Sorry, technical difficulties. Story of my life with this training. So, let me share here. Not quite sure what screen you're going to see first, so we are going to just go with it. Aha. Okay, let's go here. So this is the cool jotform.com website. As you can see at the top, I am on the website. It does give me the option to open the app here, but for teaching purposes, you're gonna just see everything that I'm seeing on how to set this up, how to choose a form. First, we wanna go to My Forms and, oops, nope, here, templates, and you're gonna search a template, form templates, and from here, the one that I use as a basic starter guide is, where are my notes here? It's called Product Purchase Order Form. So you can type it in here to search it. Product Purchase Order Form right here. This is the same one that I have used to start every form that I have done. So this is a great starter template. It gives you, you can use it there or preview it. You definitely want to go ahead and type use if you plan on starting your own. If not, that's okay. But that is going to give you a great starting point for any template you need to create if you've got items attached. So now I'm going to go in because I already have that form created. We will walk you through how to edit it, but I'm going to do it on my own that I've already created. So hit the Jot Form logo, take you back to your forms. We're going to go to edit here. Anytime you create a form and need to edit it, this is where you go. So this is going to pop up with my October 1st pre-order. Again, I've already taken the time to put all the products in, and I'll show you how to do that. This is already stuff that form pre does for you. So you have name, email, shipping address. I added the preferred method of contact right here. You can go in and add an option if you need to. We'll just put test here. Oops, if I can spell. And then if you want to delete an option, all you have to do here is delete. So really easy to edit. I promise, user-friendly. Go down here to My Products. We have already pre-loaded all of the holiday goodness on here for you. So if you click on the products, it will pull up all of the products listed here. If you wish to edit or delete any product, all you have to do, you can move them around too. Here I am. Just go here, and all you have to do is edit or delete any single product that you want. This is also where you would go if you want to create a new product. You just hit that plus sign. You can upload a picture. It's really, really easy for you to do. Upload a picture, upload the description, the price. I use the names as they appear in the catalog, so there's no confusion there. I also added colored bulbs to this form. I wanted that to be an easy upsell for me. I've also attached notes to all of these things too on what size bulb they use and whether or not they can be used with colored bulbs. If you choose to be really outgoing with this, you can play with the shipping, tax, and invoice icons. That's only if you want to be super advanced. Starting out, just stay in that products tab. That's really all you need for now. So we're going to get out of that, go back to the top. Cool thing about the products, it does have all of the prices listed. These are all things you can enter as well, and quantities. At the top, you can use my same verbiage or you can edit it to choose your own, but I did add that I will be sending the final invoice and that tax and shipping will apply. So all of this, they fill this out, they enter their items. Then way down here at the bottom, sorry, this is a lot of stuff. Okay. Bottom 3, how do you like to be paid, or how do you like to pay for your items? I have options here. Again, you can add anything you want here. Say you have something there, or you have something that's offered here that you don't want, just hit the X and delete it. Super easy. How would you like to receive your items? This is a great option. So you know if you have to ship items directly or if you can bulk order and have them shipped to you, the consultant, and then deliver. Great option there. You can add your own too. If you do deliveries in certain locations like I do, you can also add that in too so they select it. Then down here at the bottom, I have, would you like to set up your own personal shopping link to earn free credit? I think this is huge because any single order should be turned into a possible party. I think we should be asking that question to every person. And this is a very easy, no pressure. If you think and get awkward or get intimidated by asking people to host a party, this is perfect for you because it's right here. All they do is check a box. If they don't want to, no thank you, I'll pay full price. Nobody's any different and everybody's good. So what happens when they fill this out? I'm just coming out of the form, back into the main menu. I just clicked on that Jot Form logo. What happens after they fill this out? That's all cool. We can all see it, but what happens next? So let's go here. We're gonna go to my email. Sorry, I probably have, yep, Amazon stuff. So let's go here to Jackie. She was kind enough to fill this out for me. So you can see you get this cool email, shareable. It's titled exactly how you want to title it, and it even has your customer name in the top. All the customer information is listed there for you. Preferred method of contact is text, so you know to hang on to that cell phone number. Oops, I need to add cell phone. Make sure you, if you have a cell phone in there, make sure the cell phone number for, we'll show you how to add that. My products, this is everything that they chose to order. And look, you even have a total at the bottom. So figuring tax and shipping is going to be very easy once you have this. You can also view this online. If you go to the right here for submissions, that's the same link that I shared with them. You can view your submissions there. You can view them all at once, or you can view them one at a time. So if you just want to see a single one, click here, those three dots that are sitting up, go ahead and click that and view entry. This is really cool too, because you can just print this. This is basically like an order form ready to go for you, and you didn't have to do even a fifth of the work. You didn't have to write anything, send this to your wireless printer, you are good to go. So another cool thing here, you can, I might have to go sideways for this, sorry guys. Yep, it moved. You can check all, sorry, I'm going sideways. This green arrow that points down, export or download to Excel. You can send all of these to an Excel document and upload them to Square, or you can send them to, if you do labels for follow-up, things like that. Excel is a great tool. You can then send it somewhere else or send out emails from there directly. So option there to export to Excel and to view everything as it, each entry individually. So let's go back out, click on that. Again, it's user-friendly. Just keep clicking on the logo if you don't know how you got there. So how to share this thing? How do we get this out? How do we share this to where our customers can fill it out? From your main menu, you can go to publish. And this link, just copy your link. You can also hit the green copy link button. I just want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Or down here for share options. If you link this to your Facebook, your Twitter, if you do a QR code in your mailings, it's right there for you. It links directly to the directly to your online order form. So it's super easy there. I promise, like 3 clicks and you have a QR code. You can also go in the app. It gives you the same option. If you're in the edit form, you still go to publish. So think, if you want to get this out and text it out, email it out, whatever, just go to publish. So even if you're editing your form, still publish. And then that's how you can do a quick share. You can do same thing, email, PDF, however you want to share it, but go to publish, and then quick share will give you that link, same screen again. Super easy, I promise, guys. Editing, make sure when you edit these, you can add a logo at the top. Sorry, I skipped over a couple notes. We're kind of backtracking a little bit here. Oops. I go to edit. Maybe, dang it. Getting click happy, sorry guys.
I just absolutely love the whole concept of this. You can send it and they order straight from it. You get an email, you print their order form, you collect their payment, and you are ready for October 1st at 3 a.m. It is awesome. And I am not tech savvy at all. And I was able to do everything that Danelle just showed us this morning, yesterday with her. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. I think it's an excellent new tool. And a couple other ways that you've used this form. You said you were using it on Facebook parties to collect information from customers, see if they're interested in parties, samples. If you were able to have 5 free forms, you could do one for LTOs, for when they come out, you know, your pre-orders for, whatever is coming up on a pre-order, you can do it for collecting customer information. How do they like to be contacted? And I love that it's like the enter to win form, but it's electronic. Anyone else want to share anything else before we stop the recording for the training? Okay, well, thank you so much. I'm sure we'll have questions. And here is the bonus, because you stayed on and you listened to the 15-minute training. That Jot form is ready for you to use as your holiday flyer template. So the one that Danielle showed, what was it called? It was shareable.
It's called shared. Here.
It's shareable October 1. That is your forms. All the work is done for you. You go in, you rename it, and put your own couple questions, your own twist to it, and it is ready for you to start using right now to collect those orders for October 1st. So thank you for your 15
minutes.
Oh.
Yes, you have to get on now. It's only available for a limited time. So talk to your director, figure out when it's canceling, because you only get a limited number. You only get so many hours to go grab this. So watch this, and yay for you for staying for the end, because you get a special
And if
nugget.
you do watch this and the shareable form's not there, get with your director. We'll share our form with you. But that's your bonus for listening to the training. Good luck and have fun with your Jot form.